Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows Sandbox loading or not opening problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Sandbox and the error you can see is 0x80070002 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, what you have to do, you have to just click on the search menu, then type here Windows feature, you can see here turn Windows feature on or off. Click on this. Here you will find Hyper-V. You have to just double click and expand. You have to select this Hyper-V and you have to select all under Hyper-V. After that, just click on OK and close this window. After that, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. Right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. In this, you need to type sfc /scan now. Then hit enter. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. You have to wait for complete this process. After completion of this, again you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows Sandbox loading or not opening error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.